huko?
Yeah, ni saa 6.
Pole. Oh, you are a lady? Najua sasa jina Misri does not tell us anything. Yes, karibu.
Okay,
Why?
so Amia, watu wameshare na mi live wakaniambia nikuje niwape updates and
Yes.
thank you. Vile tuliagree jana, we agree that kila mtu afanye chenye anaweza weza tu mali yako. So, nikapata wa Uganda wawili wenye walikuwa marafiki kitambo but walikuwa wameama city yenye nilikuwa naishi. So tukatravel to Hanoi jana usiku, hiyo time tukafika asubuhi. Hanoi ni capital city ya Vietnam. So tukafika, we were connected to a guy from Congo who is a military there. So the only questions we had for this guy is how can we let me say, how can we save this guy?
Intervene, yeah.
Yeah. The guy told me that we were there, so akatuambia, mtu amesema niongee na Kiswahili. Akatuambia
sawa,
ongea how you are comfortable. Usipewe sana na dictation nao watu hapa. Ongea how you are comfortable.
Yeah, akatuambia for now it's kind of too late. Though because the government was supposed to kuingilia hii kesi before, because the judgment was passed and Nduta was not represented in court by anyone. That's what he told us. We asked him how far are we from the execution. He told us that we only have less than 24 hours. And he told us that when the time of execution is confirmed, because they were more than, he told us there are more than 500 those who are going to be executed, that he was to update us on the time. Now I don't know. Kuria yesterday told us that the president had been informed. Now I don't know. Maybe now he tells us how and where the president is, because although Vietnam, for real, they don't negotiate in terms of drug trafficking inside their country. That's they don't negotiate. That I can tell you for free. Negotiation cannot help there.
Yeah.
I don't know what to happen, so it's now upon Korea to tell us what have they done. Is there any hope, or what next now? Since the negotiations is not there, it's beyond us.